but persistence is the vehicle to arrive. With these motivational lines, I, Harshita Huda,
And I, Shitobe, would like to cherish Visha, respected principal ma'am, all teachers, and my dear friends. So, to begin with our assembly, I would like to call Raj for thought.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. I repeat my thought, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. It means कि अगर कोई चीज़ आपको चुनौती नहीं दे रही है तो वो आपकी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत पॉजिटिव चेंज नहीं लाएगी. And people used to do these things only, they want to remain in their comfort zone. They are not ready to accept the challenges. तभी उनकी लाइफ में कुछ पॉजिटिव चेंज नहीं आता है. इसलिए we should be ready to accept the challenges so that it will become positive change, it will make us a better human, it will bring us closer to success. Thank you.
thank you Raj for the thought. Now to make us informed about the current happenings, I would like to call Master Shruth.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and everyone. Today news headlines are: India-China flight resume after 5 years. First flight from Kolkata to Guangzhou. Second, Donald Trump applies 10% tariff on Canadian goods. After India, Afghanistan also stopped the river water going towards Pakistan. Some national news: Indian Air Force surpassed China, become third best air force in the world. On Wednesday, President Draupadi Murmu ji became the first woman head of the state to offer prayer at the Sabrimala temple in Kerala. Some sports news: the Indian legend Virat Kohli surpassed Sachin Tendulkar and become the highest run scorer in the white ball in ODI. Thank you.
Thank you, Suraj, for updating us. Now let's take a moment to expand our vocabulary. I would like to call Siddhant.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today's word of the day is perseverance. It means the quality of continuing to try and work hard even when the situations are very difficult. For example, with patience and perseverance, one can achieve the goal. With patience and perseverance, one can achieve the toughest goal. Thank you.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਗਾਣਾ ਗਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਸੂਰਜ ਭਰਾ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ.
जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुके कब तुझे एहसास है जानी तेरी तेरा कजा ये सांस है एहसास है
What a mesmerizing amazing performance it was. Maybe that's what the school is. Not just walls and benches, but 1,000 memories echoing in this one mic. The same mic where we once mumbled our first words and today we say our last.
They say that every batches leave behind something. Maybe we will leave our noise, our energy and our madness, but also our mark. Because years later, when someone holds this mic, because they will be our echo. A reminder that once stood a batch of dreamers who turned their goodbyes into beginners. For the last time on this mic, signing off, Rishi Dubai.
Let us seize the day. Thank you.